Hello student, today I will discuss the lesson physical feature of India from the ninth class. In this lesson we will mostly study the videography division of India. So everybody know there are six physiographic division. The Great Mountain, second the Northern Plains, next the Western Desert, next the Coastal Plains, next the Southern Plateau, next and last the islands. And these are very important topics, and the topic which I am going to discuss, it is the Northern Plains. That is very important topic which I will discuss today. Okay now students, so let's we see. In the first we will see the Northern Plains. This Northern Plains, it is millions of year old, number one thing. Second thing, this Northern Plains is spreaded in a nearly 7 million square kilometer area. Next, this Northern Plains long nearly 2400 kilometer. Next, the broadness of this Northern Plains is 240 kilometer to 320 kilometer. Next, this Northern Plains was formed due to the sedimentation that was decomposed by the mountain river. Okay now, this is a short introduction so you can better understand. Now we will see the division of the Northern Plains. So students, there are two broad division. One is from west to east, and second from north to south. Okay, na? So let's see. Look it there. From west to east, there are three parts. One is Punjab Plains, second is Ganga Plains, and third is the Brahmaputra Plains. Okay, na? So let's see Punjab Plains, which is found from or between the two countries, Pakistan and India. 70% part in Pakistan and 30% part in India. Right? Very important things. This Punjab Plains mostly formed by the river Indus. Indus River is the main river, and it's followed by its tributaries. So these tributaries are the Jhelum, the Vyas, the Ravi, the Satluj, and the Chenab. So these are the five tributaries. These are the five tributaries which form the Indus River plains. This is very important plains, and this is made by the Indus River river system or its basins also. Okay, na? So that is very important things. Next plains is the Ganga Plains. Ganga Plains, where Ganga Plains is formed by the river, the Ganga River, and with its tributaries, and these tributaries are the Gandak River, the Koshi River, the different river, the Yamuna River. These are the main river, and which form the Ganga Plains. Ganga Plains, which is very important plains because due to the two regions, availability of water by the river and a favorable climate these two factors. These two factors are responsible for the dense population. Next, more agricultural production. Next, more industrialization. These three factors are very important. Okay, na? The next one is the Brahmaputra Plain. So Brahmaputra Plain where it is formed by the river, the Brahmaputra, and these plains mostly form in the Assam region. Okay, na? That is very important things. And Ganga Plains forms in the states like the UK, UP, then Bihar, Odisha, then Jharkhand. These are the main states which is formed by, and some parts of MP, right? Formed by the Ganga Plains, by the Ganga River. So these are the three broad divisions from west to east. Now we will study the broad division of northern plains from north to south. From north to south, so there are four divisions. The Bhavar Belt, next is the Tarai Belt, next is the Bungal Belt, and next is the Khadar Belt. So Bhavar Belt is formed in the foot hills of Shivalik. Next is this Bhavar Belt, you'll say spread from 8 to 16 kilometer. Clear? Long stripes formed by the, you'll say, pebbles, and very important things, the rivers which are originate from the mountains are disappeared. That is very important. This is very important feature of the Bhavar Belt. Okay, and you should keep in the mind. Next is the Tri Belt. Tri Belt, where number one things, the rivers which are disappeared now re-emerged there. Okay, na? And this belt mostly formed by the good availability of water. So this region becomes swampy, marshy land. This region is very good for the forest, and this Bhavar belt where that is very important things. The forest they were cut down. Why they were cut down? Because mostly the people who were coming from the western areas they were living there to clear the mountains. Okay, na? Dry belt where the forest is mostly available. So Duduha National Park is the very important picture schools or very important sceneries which presented here. So you can better understand this is the second belt, and now the third belt, Bhagar belt, which is there are two type of the Bhagar belt and Ghazar belt. We are known as which produce the alluvium, yeah, alluvial soil or the alluvium. So this is called the old and this is called the new. Okay, na? So this is Bhangar belt which is formed at the south of the Rai. So you can see well there is not the proper availability of the water, because all the water which is carried by the rivers do not spread there, and it is formed by the Karkaras means the conchers which is found there, and which are not very suitable for making it very you say fertile soil. But Khadar belt which is known as a new alluvium soil which is formed by the flood plains. Mostly the rivers which flow in this region, and their flow become not very higher. So these rivers which which are responsible for carrying the flood, and these rivers which are responsible for carrying the flood are very responsible to spreading the alluvial soil in the region and spread in the whole region. So this area become very rich fertile soil, and this soil become more productive for the different type of the crops, and mostly the crops are grown there, and make it very rich productive region in this belt. So hope student you enjoyed all these belt which I have shown here, the belt from west to east and second belt from north to south. If any kind of the queries you can ask me, if any kind of the doubt you can ask me also. Okay, na student? So hope this video lecture will help you in a lot way. Thank you.